Welcome to this quick guide where you will learn how to delete your account in the Mondly app directly from your phone. If you no longer use Mondly or simply want to remove your data, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Mondly app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon. Then, click on the settings icon located at the top left corner. Then, tap on the option called My Account. Inside the Account section, scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the text that says, "Click here for the account deletion option." Tap on Click here to continue with the account deletion process. Finally, tap on Yes, Delete Account to confirm your decision. After confirming, your Mondly account will be scheduled for deletion and you will no longer be able to access it. Please like the video and share it with others who might need this guide. Thanks for watching.